Yeah, we are in a military base, and we're not in any war right now. We're just scouting. But yeah, we're just kind of messing around with this Apache helicopter. It's
Yeah,
very loud.
but there might be a war, but we don't know.
But we're just scouting right now. So
Cause our boss told us to go to scout out.
okay, yeah. So we're just scouting.
Yeah, I know. Wait, something's happening. Ah!
Oh my! Let's not stop the engine. We're still flying. We're still flying.
Ah, we're still flying. Wait.
Oh! How are we still okay? They literally shot our engine. Oh my god! Oh! Okay,
I'm inside this bunker.
what is that massive thing? Holy!
What was that?
Digo! What was that? What was that?
What was that?
Look how beautiful this record is.
What the heck is that?
Oh my gosh! Okay, something's happening. I know, it's so cool.
It's so cool that we're dead. Look at that.
What's that sound? What the heck? What just... Why is there a... What is this line? Diego, walk through it.
You walk through it.
I don't want to walk through it. Shoot it. Oh my! Okay, so I think there's an enemy here. But I don't know who the enemy is. Okay, I'm putting some reinforcements. What was that sound? Oh,
Why are you putting bombs?
I'm not putting bombs. I'm not putting bombs. These are like armor. Or they just said they're armor. I don't actually know what they are. They said they're armor. They said to put it all over the base. I don't know. They're just putting it like around the base. Just armor, cause like apparently for some reason there's like people. I can't put it like on the back. Oh my god! This base just exploded somehow. Now, I think there's a war happening. I don't even know.
Whoa.
Whoa,
So
wait.
cool that we're dead.
No, look at the plane wreckage. Look at our old plane. It's like dying down. Ah! Okay, let's go. Let's put some more armor. Why not this one? Well, no, this is just armor. Oh my! I'm glitching inside the ground. What's the sound? Help me let me out of here. Get out. Oh my god. Oh no. The main base just got bombed. I'm lagging. Very hard. Oh. Still getting bombed. Oh, that doesn't look very good. What's that? Ow. Owie. My mama. Okay. We gotta survive. Like, I think this place is being bombed or something. I don't know. Oh, lucky. What's it sound? Oh gosh, that's not good. Get in the helicopter. We gotta go. They're coming to the side. Let's go, 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 go.
Why am I flying?
Oh my, I'm under the map. I died. Oh my gosh. Okay, what should we do? Oh! Okay, so that was a soldier. Oh no, stuff is getting bombed. They're coming. Oh! They're coming. They're coming. We gotta go. Yeah, no. The tower. The tower. Oh! Oh my God! What was that? Oh. Oh. Whoa. How long has it been since she like fell asleep? Oh my! Look at the tower. Look at the tower up there. I think it's been a few hours, I think, since. So I don't think they're here. I don't think they're here, because, like, it's been a few hours.
There's a tank right. Oh, like that.
I don't know. Look at all the debris. Oh, okay, let's explore the destroyed base. Okay, let's go. Let's just explore around, because I know this base is pretty strong. Oh wow, this wall got like completely destroyed.
Whoa.
Here.
Look at the view.
Look at the fire. The trenches are on fire. What's that sound? What's that sound? What's happening?
It was just a pipe that exploded.
What's that sound? Oh my! Okay, this base I think still has some traps in it, right? Cause like maybe they're still like, or not here, but like maybe they set some traps while they were here. I hear stuff. Whoa! What's happening? Diego, get inside. Diego, get inside. Diego, get inside. Oh wow. I can see this. It's all thieves. All I see is just the roof collapse. Yo! Okay, I'm staying here.
So relaxing.
So relaxing. I'm trying to. Bro, this door isn't closing. Again. Come on. What is happening? No? Where's the fridge? Whoa! Swing had just happened outside. Really, Diego?
I did nothing. The blast like destroyed the door.
Definitely. I definitely didn't see an outline around the door, and then I definitely didn't see everything explode. Really? Why'd you kill me?
Why is there a fridge here?
Because we need fridge. Look at this wreckage. It's so good. I said let's go back inside. Put that down. What's in here? What's that? Come on, Diego. What is happening in here? Look at this. Like everything's like knocked over. I think we're safe now. Oh my! What just happened? Look how beautiful this is. Our entire base is getting destroyed. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my! Oh no, our hell. Wait, I think there's someone. Oh wow! One of the soldiers just crashed into the building. That's great. Oh, look how. That's out. Oh, yeah, I think they're still overhead. We should probably not go outside. Get in! I hear stuff. I hear stuff. Get it on strike. Crouch, crouch, crouch. Okay. Are we good? I'm glitching.
There's wires hanging.
I'm hanging. Okay. I hear stuff. Get inside! Get inside! Get inside! Get inside! Get inside, Ego! Get inside! Gosh. Go? What happened? What happened, Ego? Stop! What just happened? Oh! No! Oh my gosh! Digo, get inside! Digo, get inside! Digo? Digo, what's happening? Oh my! Oh, owie. Oh my! What has happened to our peaceful base? Look at outside. Oh yeah, get inside, get inside. It's coming. I think it's an enemy tank. It's an enemy tank. Get inside the the layer thing. Sniping it. It moved. It moved. I'm gonna go sneak up on. What the? Digo, get inside here. Come on, it's safe. Digo, get inside. Destroying a tank. What's happening? Is this out? Digo? Okay, I'm moving back. Moving back. I don't know what's happening. Oh my. Whoa. I don't think they know we're here, but just to be safe, let's stay in here, Digo.
Yeah, in the bathroom.
Wait, I'm gonna go check it out. Come on. I wanna go. Oh wait. Let me in. Okay. Well, that's out. I can faintly hear it. Whoa! Oh my! What just happened?
No, the toilet. Oh, the toilet.
The toilet's fine.
The pipes.
Oh gosh, the pipes lit something on fire. The pipes are lighting stuff on fire. Let me ow! Too dangerous. Whoa! What was that? I can't see. Oh, I feel like I'm passing out. Oh. Ah. Ugh. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.